In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Copilot in Zapier in just a few seconds. This is a quick and easy tutorial, and once you know where to click, you'll be able to bring up the Copilot chat box anytime you need help inside Zapier. Whether you're trying to automate a workflow, ask a question, or get guidance while building a Zap, Copilot can save you time and make the process a lot smoother. If this video helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier website or inside your Zapier dashboard, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see the Copilot icon there. This is usually the little chat or assistant button that gives you access to Zapier's help and AI support tools. Go ahead and click on that Copilot icon in the bottom right corner. As soon as you do that, the Copilot chat box will open on your screen. From here, you can start typing whatever you want to ask. You can ask questions about automations, get help with your workflow, or use it to guide you through different actions inside Zapier. It works like a built-in assistant, so you don't have to leave the platform to get support. And that's really all there is to it. You've now opened Copilot in Zapier and you're ready to use the chat box whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.